The traction control cable connects the drive control to the transmission. When the drive lever is pulled, the cable is drawn, which activates the transmission. The cable has connectors on both ends, a plastic sheath, and a mounting bracket. Common problems are broken cable ends, the cable becoming rusted or corroded in the sheath, or a broken plastic mount. Replacing the drive cable is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by loosening the cable bracket. Before I do, I'll note the location of the cable within the bracket so I can reset it later. I'll pull some slack into the cable so I can remove the end from the bail. Now I'll go ahead and remove the bolt from the bracket. And remove the cable. Now I'll tip the mower back so I can remove the bolts that secure the upper belt cover. Now I have access to the traction cable where it connects to the transmission. Next, I'll remove the plastic bracket from the transmission. It's held in place with two plastic tabs. I'll squeeze the tabs with a pair of needle nose pliers and pull it away from the transmission. And I'll remove the spring from the deck. Now I can install the new cable. First, I'll connect the spring to the deck. Then I'll reconnect the cable to the transmission. And I'll thread the cable through the cable guide. Now I can reinstall the belt covers. Now I'll secure the upper belt guard with the bolts. Now I'll reconnect the traction cable to the bracket on the brake cable. I'll connect the ends to the appropriate bails, the traction cable to the lower bail, and the brake cable to the upper bail. And I'll secure the bracket to the handle using the bolt. I'll secure the bracket with the washer and nut. And I'll adjust the traction cable to the location it was in before I removed it. And that's how you can install a new traction control cable on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.